Hey guys, this is Niko. We're on Reddit today and we're gonna answer the question, what is the best performance tracking tool for Facebook ads this year? As you all know, our tracking was just removed from us because the Tim Cook decided to do some crazy stuff with the iOS 14 update. You all know about this. However, what are the tools that we could use to make sure that we're tracking properly? We are measuring the performance of our creative, of our ad sets properly, because a good tracking tool will give us kind of like the guidelines on what campaigns to scale, what campaigns to kill, what creatives to make, and it's gonna help us tremendous with the decision making. So this guy says, what's the best reporting tool to measure the performance of Facebook ad creative? I haven't delved too much into third-party software and I'm wondering which of these to test first, if any. Bottom line, I need something that I can deploy quickly, that gives me depth in real-time results across vast ad creatives and reasonably priced. Has anyone used Motion? Where the subscription price? So for creative specifically, Motion is like a popular option. To be honest with you, I never use Motion, and Motion just focuses on your ability, helps you create winning ads. So if you're looking for a tool, maybe give Motion a shot. This is how their website looks. The pricing, if I go to pricing, you can start with $0. However, I don't see the real price. You need to book a call. Oh, the Pro, it's like Let's Chat, so it's like impossible to buy it using the card. So this is one of the options if you just want to focus on creative. I've never used Motion. I cannot talk about it, so feel free to just check it out. The guy says Super Ads AI is slick, so I open it and this is like Super Ads AI, and this says the big promise of this tool is to get your creative and marketing teams on the same page finally. So this might do it. I'm not sure how it's like integrated, but it costs like reasonably. You can start for free or you can start for $49 per month. So those two tools, Super Ads and Motion, seem to be like competitors. Oh, what do I think of those? I never tried those, to be honest with you. And this seems like quite reasonably priced. This guy says Adscorn, Ads Creative, discover your top performing ad on different platforms. So as you can see, this integrates with Google, Meta, Google Analytics, TikTok. I never heard of this tool. I'm not sure how you join. So some of the features, Creatives Campaign Playground. It seems like the tool doesn't give us enough data, so something to check out. This guy says reasonably priced, highly accurate tracking and attribution is tricky combination. And I agree. So this guy says that they use Hyros. Hyros is one of the most popular options. It's created by Alex Becker. So it could be pretty expensive. So to track monthly revenue up to like 20K, it will be $230 per month. So it maybe makes sense if you make up to like $250K per month, and the cost will be $1,000 per month. If you go higher, let's say, and if you track up to 2 million, it's not listed here, but it could be like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month. So yeah, Hyros is expensive, but it works. Hyros is a good option. I read on like a post somewhere on the internet, and the guy who created Hyros said that the real competitors he considers is Triple Whale. Triple Whale is much cheaper compared to Hyros. I'm not sure if they have the pricing on their website. So let me try to open it. Yeah, so to track up to like 1 million for the whole year, it's free, which is pretty good. However, if you want to track more than 1 million per year, it becomes slightly more expensive. I think this is like a good alternative for like high revenue stores. Triple Whale tracking is good. So this is a very good if you want to get started for free. 100K in the last 12 months. So this gives you like maybe like 50K for 2 months, which is very reasonable start. I think I talked to support. So I think it's like very reasonable. The growth plan, if you want to get started, it's $1,300 per year. So it's around $100 per month if I make this, if I get this correctly. So Triple Whale is something that you could use to track creative. You can track performance inside Facebook ads. And I believe this will be a very good tool for a lot of you out there who run e-commerce. But also if you run information business, I think this integrates with a lot of tools as well, such as I think WooCommerce and Shopify. Another tool that I want to discuss, this is like RedTrack. RedTrack is something you can also check out. I think this integrates with like quite a lot of platforms. So let me show you. It integrates with like Facebook, TikTok, Taboola, Bing, Rev Content, Snapchat, Outbrain. It works with like different affiliate networks. So I think this one is created for the people who are more into like affiliate, but they also have like ecom and DTC. So for ecom, if you're using some of those, let's say, platforms, you can do it. In terms of the pricing, I think for the ecom and DTC, it starts at $400 per month if the revenue is more than 25K. So it could be a little bit pricier than usual, but something you could definitely check out. Okay, and let's continue. This guy says that for Facebook ads creative, he uses Motion, which is actually great. If you're managing multiple accounts, Supermetrics, I feel Supermetrics in the past. I'm not sure why I stopped using it. Supermetrics, I think Supermetrics allows you to build like Google Data Studios. I think this is how I used it. And the pricing, let me check out the pricing for Google Sheets. If you want to run all of your marketing data into Google Sheets. I'm not sure if this is the tool that you need exactly, so I wouldn't recommend it here. It has its place in your digital marketing stack, but this won't be the place. So let's see, how do you pronounce this? Adverity. Let me open Adverity. Adverity. Improve your marketing performance by automating the integration, governance, and management of your data. So for like bigger, maybe like agency, this tool makes a lot of sense. But yeah, Triple Well is very popular. I think like most of you, and this another guy on this Reddit said ClickMagick. So I opened ClickMagick. ClickMagick starts at $79 per month, and you can track up to like 10,000 clicks. So I'm not sure what will be the revenue on that. But if you want to track up to like 100,000 clicks, it's $169 per month. The guy said it's good, so you can check it out. If I could pick the first two tools to test, I'll go for Triple Well. I would test ClickMagick for sure, and I would test RedTrack. If you run like e-commerce online courses, I think those will give you a good start. Another tool you could test would be like Norbeam, but I think Norbeam could be like quite expensive, starting at like $1,000 per month. So maybe ClickMagick. ClickMagick will be something to test. There is a comparison, Harrods versus ClickMagick. So let's see, click tracking. I wish this was a table so I could say, oh, this and this. And let's see the founder. The founder sounds like very familiar to me. Patrick Kelly. I think this guy had another tool. No, I don't know this guy. I'm not sure if this is the guy. Patrick Kelly and ClickMagick. No. I cannot find the founder. But I think it's like, just go for it. Triple Well are good, free option. Maybe if you want to spend a little bit of money, check the ClickMagick. Yeah, so let me share also my opinion on tracking. Facebook ads tracking become less and less accurate, in my opinion. And I'm not sure why this happens, but you cannot rely that much on Facebook ads tracking itself. So it will be always good to have another tracking platform. Also, some of these platforms will give you like the opportunity to view different attribution models and different attribution windows. For example, you can compare clicks plus views, and you can get like really nerdy. Some of those platforms will have metrics such as MER. I think it's like marketing effectiveness something, which will give you how much money you're spending today and how much money you're bringing back. So this is something to consider. This was the video for today. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.